You're going to absolutely love this Vietnamese fresh spring roll recipe. They're super easy to make. They're extremely healthy. They're extremely delicious. And they're way, way, way better for you than the egg rolls I made last time. Alright, to make these spring rolls, you're going to need to go to an Asian food store and spend $1.50 on wrappers. And then you're going to need to get some Enoki mushrooms if you'd like to use those, some cilantro, some mint, some basil, and some greens in that order on that plate. You're going to need shrimp. You are going to need rice noodles that you boil in water just like this for 3 to 4 minutes. You will know when they're done because 3 or 4 minutes will have passed. You will pull them out of the water just like this and stick them in a bowl to cool. You may want to put some oil on them so they don't stick too much, and then they will be ready, look just like that, to add to the spring rolls. Then you're going to want to take these spring roll wrappers and put them in water. You'll take a bowl, like a large pasta serving bowl, and you'll put, I don't know, 1/2 inch to 1 inch of water in the bowl, and then you're going to let the wrapper sit there until it gets moderately soft. You can double layer them just like that if you'd like, so that you make sure that they're ready to produce more quickly. You will lean over the bowl and show your bald head to the crowd, and then you will let them rest a little bit more. My assistant Anka will feel the wrappers as they sit in the water to identify when they're ready to go. And then I'll rub a little water on the cutting board there so that the wrappers don't stick to the board. Now when you pull these wrappers out of the water, they are pretty sticky already, and you have to move them around and spread them out a little bit before you start to make the spring roll. Okay, so here's the wrapper and it's ready to go. You put it down on the cutting board on the water, and it's spread out, and then just try to form the most perfect circle. It may not be perfect every time. Again, this is really sticky stuff. And then we'll take some noodles and we will put those down first. And then we'll take a little bit of green onion, some scallion, some basil that's been chopped up, and some cilantro, and then some mint. And we'll take a little bit of greens. Those are bean sprouts basically. And then I like these Enoki mushrooms, so we'll put those on there too. And then some shredded cucumber. Incidentally, that shredded cucumber, if you don't use it all, makes a fantastic cucumber salad, Chinese style cucumber salad that I will show you how to make in one of the next 2 videos that I post. You take the cooked shrimp that have been sliced in half, and you roll the wrapper over the top. You make sure it's a tight roll. You roll it one more time, fold over the corners, and then roll it some more. And it's all done. Ready to eat. Here's a closer view. Exactly the same story. Take the wrapper out, place it down on a moist or wet cutting board. You put the noodles down first. Add a little scallion. Add a little basil. Add a little cilantro. Add a little mint. Add a little bean sprout. A little more bean sprout. Enoki mushrooms. And then the cucumber. Oh, forgot the cucumber. Then the shrimp. Anyhow, you don't even have to use shrimp. You can make these completely vegetarian. You can put tofu inside. You can just put vegetables in there. Whatever you want. Some recipes call for shredded chicken, and that's really good too. This is going to be dipped in a peanut sauce, which will be the next video that I post. But these are super simple. They're fresh. They taste delicious. They don't bog you down. You feel light after you eat them, which is really, really nice. And they are quite filling too. And they're super easy to make. I mean, you can knock out 10 of these in just a few minutes once you get good at it. The reason that I keep showing you how we're doing it over and over again is because you may notice that it gets a whole lot easier after you do 2 or 3 of them. And they're ready to serve. Off to the right, you'll see the peanut sauce that we're making in the next video with a dollop of sriracha in the middle to add a little spice. Enjoy. If you've been wandering around this planet your entire life wondering how these restaurants make these spring rolls, now you know. I brought you the answer. So subscribe to my channel and get ready for the next series of awesome videos. If you like this video, hit subscribe because I want to feed your family.